2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA class. Starting at $37,450. Highs. High-end styling, eager driving demeanor, nicely equipped interior. Lows. Infotainment not intuitive, expensive options packages, not as quick as previous generation. Verdict. The 2022 GLA 250 bundles contemporary Mercedes-Benz luxury and technology and into a stylish, compact package. Overview. With a higher style quotient than the boxy GLB class, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA class SUV gives up some practicality in favor of a swoopier roofline and additional curb appeal. A turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers perky performance, and handling is agile enough to deliver some thrills on a curvy road. Don't expect much off-road performance though, even with the GLA's optional all-wheel drive. Inside, you'll find all of the infotainment, luxury, and convenience features that Mercedes-Benz offers on its larger SUVs. Looking for something racier? Check out the Mercedes-AMG version, reviewed separately, which can be had with as much as 375 horsepower. What's new for 2022? The GLA class receives only 2 updates for 2022. Sirius XM satellite radio and a 115-volt power outlet are now included in the optional premium package. Otherwise, Mercedes' smallest crossover carries over unchanged. Pricing and which one to buy. GLA 250. $37,450. GLA 250 4matic. $39,450. While no one who buys a GLA 250 is likely to explore the trails, opting for the 4matic model adds more than just all-wheel drive. Mercedes is making the off-road engineering package standard on that model, which provides an off-road driving mode that decreases throttle response and power delivery. Some drivers may find it useful in certain situations, such as plowing through heavy snow. In our view, the premium package is a must as it adds the larger 10.3-inch digital gauge display and 10.3-inch infotainment screen, which are combined in one continuous panel and lend a tech-forward appearance to the GLA's cabin. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2022 GLA class is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that drives the front or all four wheels and makes 221 horsepower. It's paired up with an 8-speed automatic. At our test track, an all-wheel drive GLA 250 4matic snapped off a 0 to 60 mph time of just 6.3 seconds. Despite its peppy performance, that result is actually slower than the last generation model, which managed a 5.7-second result in the same test. While the 2022 GLA 250 hasn't lost all of its spunkiness in the redesign, the suspension is notably more compliant over rough stretches of road, a welcome improvement over the old model. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the GLA 250 will deliver 25 mpg in the city, 34 mpg on the highway, and 28 mpg combined. The all-wheel drive GLA 250 4matic's fuel economy estimates are 1 mpg lower in all 3 metrics. Mercedes says a plug-in hybrid version will be added later to the lineup. We haven't had a chance to test the new GLA 250 on our 200-mile highway fuel economy test route, but when we do we will update the story with results. For more information about the GLA class's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. One of the chief complaints about the previous generation GLA class was its cramped interior. Mercedes has rectified that with the new generation model. Rear seat passengers are treated to almost 5 inches of extra legroom, as well as increased space for shoulders and elbows. This will help the GLA class compete more directly with key rivals such as the Audi Q3, BMW X1, and Volvo XC40. Interior materials look upscale, and the layout of controls and climate control vents is similar to what we see on the GLB class and A class, with a column-mounted shifter, center console-mounted infotainment controller, and circular vents along the dashboard. Cargo capacity is increased compared with the old model and the rear seats fold flat. The cargo floor itself now is flush with that of the sill, which should make sliding bulkier items in and out of the trunk easier. In our testing, the GLA 250 fit 6 of our carry-on suitcases behind the rear seat, one more than what we fit in the last generation model. Infotainment and connectivity. Mercedes-Benz MBUX infotainment system for better or worse is standard across the GLA class range. Base models come with two 7.0-inch displays, one for the driver's gauge display and one for the infotainment system itself. Dual 10.3-inch displays are optional. This same setup has been rolled out throughout much of the Mercedes lineup to mixed reviews from our editors. The system can be manipulated either via the touch screen, using voice commands, or by utilizing the touchpad controller on the center console. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, a head-up display, and a Burmester premium audio system are all optional. Safety and driver assistance features. Automated emergency braking is standard across the range, but more advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist will require adding the optional driver assistance package. For more information about the GLA class's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Mercedes offers a basic warranty package, with coverage stretching 4 years or 50,000 miles. The Lexus NX offers longer warranty terms while other rivals such as the BMW and the Volvo offer lengthy contracts for complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.